So this is a quick feature benefit video on the new folding leg table. So we offer a couple of different shapes. First of all, you have the half moon over the far end. We do the trapezoid, and also we do the rectangle. So there's different lengths that we do in the rectangle as well. The shapes mean that they're highly configurable. You can put them next to each other, put them up, and make different shapes for sort of meeting conference areas. Perfect for that. So you have the folding mechanism as well. So for easy storage, if you push that button in, that will lock there, and it will lock back so it's not moving. Once there, it's rigid. You have adjustable feet on the edge there. So if you have a slight deviation in the floor, you can make those nice and stable as well. It's made from 25mm MFC melamine. You get a 3-year structural warranty from the factory as well.